Today, we want to talk about the derivation of the multiples used for business valuations. As your business grows and matures, it is never too early to start thinking about what it's worth and how to maximize its value. Even as you are trying to grow and manage day-to-day operational decisions, it's useful to know what key variables will impact value and what you can do to increase the value if and when you decide to sell. The good news is that the main drivers that increase the value of your business are also the ones that make the business easier to run, more profitable, and give you greater freedom. So even if you plan to never sell, you need to understand these basic principles because they're all part of good business common sense. The cash flow of your business is measured by the profit plus or minus a number of normalizing adjustments. Typical adjustments include owner's compensation, depreciation, and other expenses that have a highly variable or somewhat discretionary element. The multiple is even more important. Of course, if you can double your bottom line, the value of your business increases, possibly by more than double. So the obvious advice is to focus on sales and profits. But there are other key value drivers that can increase the value of your business without increasing sales, by making the business easier to run and increasing the multiple regardless of the size of your business. The multiple paid for any type of business is primarily a function of the risk of that business. The higher the risk, the lower the multiple. Businesses that are less risky have some standard elements, such as they have proven processes and procedures, they have a solid management team that will remain, they have well-trained employees that will remain, they have repeat clientele or at least a process that allows you to get clientele on a repetitive basis, they have a good reputation, it allows the owner to take holidays, it affords an appropriate salary to the owner. None of these things happen by accident. They all need planning by you, the owner, to put in place.